Aloha, this is Minyong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii. Welcome to Oahu Street. This home's perched on the hillside in the exclusive enclave. There are 14 exclusive lots in this private gated subdivision within Waialae Iki, and a spectacular ocean and diamond hand views. This home's not far from the beautiful KAHALA Beach Resort. The closest department is KAHALA Mall. It's also near the variety shops and restaurants. This home's located in a gated neighborhood. Guests need to show their IDs to enter the premises after the security checkpoint. There are total 2 units in this beautiful home. The first home's living size is approximately 4,763 square feet and approximately 1,408 square feet for lanai, so total approximately 6,171 square feet. The private swimming pool is perfect to enjoy and is surrounded by the beautiful garden area. It is connected to the outdoor barbecue and the outdoor kitchen. So welcome to the outdoor kitchen. Here you have a barbecue grill and a party-sized dining table that makes it the perfect spot for an outdoor pool party. Here you can enjoy beautiful diamond head and the ocean, and the layout's very well designed. Look at this wide pool deck, garden, and the views beyond. This is a view from separate primary suite on the 2nd level. Floors are marble, which makes it very easy to take care of. There's a vanity right by the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom has both shower and the tub. This is the indoor kitchen with a studio Becker cabinets, huge gas stove, and a cooking pan, sub-zero double-door refrigerator. This home has a total of 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage with additional room to fit more cars in the driveway. This is a 2-story home. Total land is close to 36,390 square feet. This home's spectacular, has so many things to offer. Perfect view, wide swimming pool. There's also a separate meter for 1-bedroom home under the main home with a separate entry, which is approximately 967 square feet. This home was built in 2000 and built with quality materials, and it's gated. What else can you ask for? Make this dream home yours. If you'd like to see other properties in Oahu, please visit min808.com. You can register to stay up to date on any neighborhood or building, or email me at minyonghawaii@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Mahalo.